The grappling athletes of Tripura have brought immense pride to the state by delivering a stellar performance at the 19th National Grappling Championship. Demonstrating exceptional technical skill and combat dominance on the national stage, the Tripura contingent successfully clinched a total of 7 medals, including 2 gold, 2 silver and 3 bronze medals.
Good. Junior category below 54 minus 54 kg male बैग नंबर 2 पुलिस होने वाली है सभी जूनियर below 54 kg सभी खिलाड़ी तैयार हो जाएंगे जूनियर 54 के जितने भी 54 kg के खिलाड़ी हैं आराम से डंडी आराम से देख के खेलो ग्रिप करो
The state's decorated run at the championship was powered with stand-up performances across diverse age and weight categories. Rosimi Molsom, junior category weighing 49 kg, emerged as the top performer by capturing a spectacular gold medal in the G grappling event and a silver medal in the no-G grappling event. Shamal Chandra Acharya, veteran 56 years old weighing 84 kg, displayed veteran mastery to secure the second gold medal for the state in the G grappling category. Gandhi Lal Barma, senior 54 kg category, battled hard to bag a prestigious silver medal in the G grappling event. Deepa Devnath cadet, 56 kg category, brought home a double delight by winning 2 bronze medals, one each in the G and no-G grappling formats. Samrat Nath junior category weighing 54 kg put up a fierce fight to seal a bronze medal in the G grappling event. The historic success of the squad is heavily credited to the strategic guidance of Tripura's chief coach, Uttam Acharya, whose dedicated training modules have consistently propelled regional grapplers onto national podiums. Reported by Narayan from Agartala, Chini Khorang.